Check it out!
You're right. I do. In life, you use what you know, Anastasia. Doesn't change how much I want you. Here. Now. Oh, hi. It's me, Precious Roy, here with episode 6 in our ukulele series. I got another song for you today. I've been learning to play this for the last few days. Not really in preparation for this video, but I figured, this is what the videos are about, learning how to play. So, we're gonna go with it. Got a little black book with my poems in. I got a bag, toothbrush, and a comb in. I'm a good dog, they sometimes throw me a bone in. I got elastic bands keeping my shoes on. Got them swollen hand blues. I got 13 channels of shit on the TV to choose from. Lights that I got second sight. I got amazing powers of observation, and that is how I know when I try to get through the telephone to you, there'll be nobody home. Hendrix perm and the inevitable pinhole burns, all on the front of my favorite satin shirt. I got nicotine stains on my fingers, got a silver spoon on a chain. I got a grand piano to prop up my mortal remains. Staring eyes, I got a strong urge to fly, but I got nowhere to fly to, fly to, fly to, fly to, fly to. Oh, babe, when I pick up the phone, still there's nobody home. Fading roots. Well, that actually went a lot better than I expected it to. So that's it for today's show. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, go back and watch all the other videos, of which now there are an additional 5 you can look at. Like me on Facebook if you can find me. Follow me on the Twitters at PreciousRoy1981. And for Precious Roy, I'm Precious Roy saying good night, thank you, and you know what? Go vote.